Hello everyone, today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Proficiency in Hindi. It's an ETD first year book of Jammu and Kashmir University JK Bose. It's a bestseller book. So let's review it. It's as per the new syllabus pattern. And it's of the most trusted publishing firm Vinod Publications. So let's review this book of ETT Hindi. So let's go to contents first. The contents are mentioned unit wise. You can check, like श्रवण कौशल, श्रवण का अर्थ, श्रवण कौशल का महत्व, श्रवण कौशल के उद्देश्य, देन कथन कौशल, कथन कौशल की परिभाषा, उसका महत्व, विधियाँ, and so on. Page numbers are also mentioned in front of the every content, every topic. Then subtopics are also mentioned of each content. You can check it out. Then lekhan kaushal is there, then pathan kaushal is there. Everything of this syllabus, it's covered in the contents. Then we come to unit 2 where we find व्याकरण शिक्षण की विधियाँ, then its topics, then वर्ण परिभाषा एवं भेद, then its topics, then शब्द परिभाषा एवं भेद, then its topics, then संधि परिभाषा एवं भेद, then its topics, and then उपसर्ग प्रत्यय, then its topics, then विकारी एवं अविकारी पद, then its topics, then उच्चारण व वर्तनी, then its topics, then unit 3 रचना शिक्षण, then its topics, then रचना के लिखित रूप, then its topics, then unit 4 साहित्यिक विधियों का परिचय, then its topics, and that's it. So all the 4 units are mentioned one by one in detail, with subtopics, with particular topics, and page numbers are also mentioned in front of each topic, particular topic and subtopic. Now we have to now it's clear that everything contents cover everything of this syllabus, no doubt about that, of all the 4 units. Now we have to check that whether the certain page numbers which are mentioned in front of the contents are accurate or not. For example, if I go to page 72, whether I find शब्द की परिभाषा or not. Let me now check page number 72. You can see page number 72, and this शब्द की परिभाषा is there. You can also check any other particular topic like कथन कौशल, page 16 to 24. Let's check where it's till from page 16 to 24 or not. So कथन कौशल, page 16. Yes, it's completely there. It should be till page 24. Yes, it's still page 24, and then next topic started. So it's really amazing that this book is a very good book, covers everything. Not only it's cover everything, every page is discussed in front of the topic. You can go to that particular page, find that particular topic and read it. So it's a very good book. The language of this book is also very easy, very good to understand, very simple to understand by the viewer. Everything is properly explained. So the price, you can see the last side of the book. All the other books are also mentioned of this publishing firm Vinod Publications. You can check them out also of ETT first year and second year books are also available in this firm. So the price of the book is just rupees 199.50 rupees only, which is very less, very reasonable price for this book, considering it covers everything, every particular detail in this book. You can buy this on Flipkart and Amazon, and you can also do one thing. You can email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com, and book will be delivered to your location within just 3-4 days. You can go to the helpline number at help@vinodpublications.com if you have any complaint regarding the book. And if you want to see other books of this publishing firm and check it out on their website, you can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube of Vinod Publications. And you can also call them directly at the number which I am giving you, which is 9218219218, and make them deliver books to you. Or if you want to purchase this book offline, you can go to any bookstore nearby your location which has B.Ed books, and you can buy the book offline also from available bookstore. So 199.50 rupees for this book of Proficiency in Hindi ETT first year, JK Bose. It's really amazing. I highly recommend this book. You should definitely buy it of Vinod Publications. Thank you so much.